Hi everyone, welcome to my channel, Math Made Easy with Terry in 10 minutes. Okay, I'll be talking about triangle problem with line equation today, so make sure you've reviewed the previous video and try as much as possible to ensure that you know how to solve questions relating to parallel lines, perpendicular lines, and points of intersection, because it's going to be very, very important here. And like I always say, if you've not subscribed, I don't know what you're waiting for. Please do so that when I upload new videos, you'll be the first person to know. Now, one of the things you should know as well is that several lines can intersect with one another or with the axis, that is the X and Y axis, to form a triangle. And then you could be asked to find either the perimeter of the triangle or the area of the triangle. So basically, what I'm saying is, for instance, if we have this axis, we have the x-axis and we have the y-axis, and we have a particular line. Let's call this line AB. A line AB just coming this way. Let's say we have line AB just coming all the way like this, line A and B. You will notice that line AB is making a triangle here. Are you seeing this triangle here? So you can see that we have a triangle here. So let's call it O at this point of intercept here. Let's call it P. And here, let's call it Q. So you can see we are having triangle OPQ. All right. It's also possible you could have possible three lines making a triangle. So let's assume we have triangle AB. Then let's assume we have another triangle here, moving at this point, triangle CD. Can you see? Intersect, let's call this intersection here, intersection at point P. Then let's call another triangle EF. Okay, sorry, line EF, okay? And they are intersecting AB. Let's call this AB here at point Q, and intersecting CD here at point R. Are you seeing it? So we're having the triangle PQQR. All right? So you can see now, at this point now, we have another triangle here. Making sense? So it can come in different ways. It could be a line making a triangle with the axis. It could be a line making two or three lines making a triangle by themselves. But one of the things you need to keep in mind is that all the rules of parallel lines, perpendicular lines, and points of intersection applies here, all right? So all the rules apply here. And also, it's also possible that you could have maybe two lines, okay? Maybe you have the first one. Let's call this line AB, okay? And we have another intersection line here. Let's say intersect at this point, same y-intercept, something like this. And let me draw this better. So let's say something like this. Okay. And that is that. This is x-axis and this is y-axis. And we have this line here. Let's call this line CD. Also, you also notice as well that we have another triangle here. Are you seeing the triangle here? So you can see that this line makes a triangle at this point here. So that's where you could be asked now that, all right, we have this triangle. What is the area of the triangle? What is the perimeter of the triangle? Okay, so in this series, we're going to discuss two things. We're going to discuss the problems associated with or related with the perimeter of a triangle. Okay, so problems related to the perimeter of a triangle. So I'm going to talk about, in that kind of situation, how do you find the perimeter? All right, I'll show you how to find the perimeter. Then the next one, we'll now also talk about problem related to the area of a triangle. Okay, so that's what we're going to talk about in this series. All right. So I'm going to first start in the next video. I'm going to start with how do you find the perimeter. Then after that, I'm going to go straight to how to find the what? The area. All right. So I will see you in the next video where we start to talk about the perimeter of a triangle in a line equation and how do we solve questions associated with it. So like I said, if you've not subscribed, don't forget to do so that when I upload the next video, you'll be the first person to know. All right, so I'll see you soon. I'll see you in the next video.